Hey, what's going on, guys? I just wanted to check in real quick on the Black Financial channel and let you guys know, I don't know if you guys saw what happened with WeWork. They finally resolved their whole situation. WeWork is this company that was considered to be a high-flying startup. Their valuation shot up to $47 billion. They tried to go public. It didn't work. Wall Street felt that their business model was problematic. They were losing too much money. Their CEO had too much power. They were making irresponsible acquisitions, and the valuation dropped to as low as $15 billion. And now SoftBank, who is the big financial backer of WeWork, just announced that they are going to take control of the company. They also had to oust the CEO, Adam Neumann, who's going to get paid about $1.7 billion for his trouble, which ain't bad for, 35-year-old or whatever age he is. It was just kind of a mess. It was a complete mess. Now, what my perception was with WeWork is that it came down to, I would argue that it probably linked to a theory we used to study in finance called the free cash flow theory. The free cash flow theory basically says that when you give a company and a CEO too much extra cash, they start to get a little bit flaky and extravagant. They start to get sloppy financially, the same way many of us might get financially irresponsible when we have too much money in our pocket, when money burns a hole in your pocket. The studies show that when CEOs have too much cash kind of sitting around, they start to, sorry, I'm on the escalator trying to control my bags. They start to, buy private jets and, do expensive retreats and do all these things that are unnecessary financially because they just got money to burn. And I believe that Adam Neumann was a little bit too much of a hippie as a CEO. I think he didn't focus enough on making money, and he focused a lot on sort of having fun and making WeWork into kind of this fun space because SoftBank, run by Maoshi's son, gave him, billions of dollars of other people's money to just play with. So now SoftBank has put more money into the company than the company's worth, and they are stuck with the difficult task of cleaning up this complete mess. I think this was foreseeable. I never liked the company in the beginning. If you recall, they were losing $219,000 an hour. I felt that the CEO had too many conflicts of interest, and that's another thing that can happen is when you overinvest in a company and you don't quite monitor and manage how the company is being run, you can have people using the company as kind of a personal ATM machine. Because remember, WeWork's going to be in trouble, but Adam Neumann's going to be a billionaire. So to be real, I don't think he cares that much about what happens long term. So as you invest in your companies, I think the lesson that we can all learn is you got to be efficient with what you do in terms of investing. If you invest in somebody else's company, make sure you monitor the behavior of the management, give them as much money as they need, and hold them accountable. Because if you don't, you get train wrecks like WeWork. This was completely predictable. It also reveals many of the flaws of the Silicon Valley model that exists today, which basically says just dump insane amounts of money into something to achieve massive market share and conquer the whole world, and then you figure out how to become profitable later. I'm not a big fan of that. I think you got to be a little bit more efficient, and so WeWork's problems, again, were completely predictable. So anyway, I'm gonna go, guys. Sorry, I know I'm in transit, but I'm in the airport. We just flew back from Phoenix, and you guys will hear from me again soon. Make sure you hit the share button, subscribe button, and the notification bell. And also, if you want to check out financial workbooks and flashcards for your kids to get them ahead of the curve, you can go to financialworkbooks.com. That's financialworkbooks.com. And some of you I'll see in New York this Sunday, October 27th. I'll be doing an investment seminar. You can go to drboycenewyork.com, or if it's after the 27th, you can go to drboyseminars.com to see what else we have in store. So I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.